Alright, time for some more Temple Run. Yeah, like this. Anyway. Here we are. Resume. We're starting in playing Temple Run. Whoa. I wonder how 3 of them are all on the exact same side. Shoot. They're like all 3 on the exact same side. Whoa. Go back here. Jump. Run. Jump. There we go. Perfect. Here. Jump. Jump. Man, this ain't hard at all. Come on, let's do this. You can do this. Whoa. Yeah. 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 Here we are. There we go. Getting 100,000 meters right now. There we go. That's a lot of coins. I skipped a bunch of coins. That was a long jump. I can't believe we made that jump. Let's do this. Oh! Oh! That was just hard. And there. Oh my god, there's like these broken bits. I was so good at that. That one was so good. Whoa! I knew there'd be more coins over here. 23. It's not really good though. But let's just get this coins. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. Tree hugger. You called me a tree hugger? Oh my god. Look what we did. Alright. We got 25 this time. It's only the start. Now 50. I just need 50 more to get that weird thing. You know, like the whole... I just want to get 2 coins. We got 101. What the? That was a big thing. Like this. Oh man. Do it. There. There we go. Just jump. Oh. Oh. No. These hurt. Oh man. Just be jumping a lot. The color of the temple is really great. And the water is very unrealistic. It's pretty weird. The water is very unrealistic. Why is the water so unrealistic? Like, every time you look at the water, and it's like always not how a good one would be like. Whoa. I was trying to do that. I actually meant to do that, but I didn't mean to fall. Whoa. Let's go. Jump. 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 Yes. Just on the edge of it. Jump. 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 Oh man. I was so close to failing. Like literally so close to failing. And go. There. Almost at 200. Got 207. 230. Oh, whoa. 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 Got 300. Alright. Okay. I did this last time. I'm going to try not to get any coins at all. No! I failed so badly. I got 8 coins. Yeah, I got 0 coins. So I actually did it. Jump! Jump! Right. Let's do this. Do this. Alright, let's do it. And jump! Jump! Yeah, I got stuck into a tree again. Oh, did you see that? I just jumped in midair. I'm just gonna try doing it all jumping. Got 10 coins by doing that. Oh man. Oh. I'm actually going pretty far. I got 11 coins this time. I'm actually going pretty far without getting any coins at all. Like getting no coins. Alright. This is easy. The only part that's hard is not being able to get any coins. Missed it by that much. Oh wow. Alright, this should be called like something like the jumping challenge or something. Oh, do you see that? Oh man. Anyway, that's the end of the video for today.